Hey guys, what's going on today? Coming at you with part 4 of the teardown here. We'll see how much we can get done today. Got storms coming in. It's in the 70s today. We'll see how much we can get done today. I left off part 3. I was able to get 4 of the subs out. I got 4 more still in there I got to get out. And we'll start taking off some of this trim. Get the headliner out and see, let's see what we could do or get done with that today. I'm a little handicapped today too. When it snowed the other day, I slipped on the porch, fell down the stairs, and jacked my back all up a little bit. So we'll see what we can get done today while this weather lasts or before the storm rolls in. Stick around. Alright, lighting's a little better here since from the last time I left off in part 3 I had to kind of try and use a flashlight because I didn't have enough battery left to do it on my camera here and use the light. So here's where we got, like I said, last episode we got the front 4 subs out. Let's get these last 4 subs out. Those are the harder ones. As you can see, from here to here, it ain't very big for me to crawl in and get these things out. So like I said, we'll get these out, we'll start taking some of the plastic off, and we'll get some of these other stuff taken off. We'll see what we can do. Woo, it's getting a little hot in here. Like I said, it's 72 degrees, and once you crawl in here, you tend to warm up a little bit. All right, now I've got 7 of them out. 1 more to get. I don't know if you can really see it here, but anyways, we'll get that last one out. It started to rain and then it stopped. So, and also I wanted to tell you guys something else here. My last video, I apologize, I had to make a little edit after I published the video on YouTube. I got hit with a copyright strike from my background music playing in the radio in the garage. I didn't think the mic was going to pick it up, you know. I thought I had it down enough and me talking that he wouldn't pick it up, but I got hit with it, so I fixed it so I could get that strike taken away. So I apologize for a little bit of part 3. The audio was muted. So let's get this last one out. Whew! That was not easy with the old handicap back I got today. I got them out. No more subs. Tell you what, I don't know if I'll ever build my own enclosure like that again, where I have to crawl my big ass in there. And if you guys follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anything like that, I have decided once I get all this tore out, it's going to get reshelled, and I'm going to do a clam shell 4th order. Somebody say what? But I like the idea. You don't see a lot of many people with a clamshell in a 4th order, so I figured I'd give it a try and see how it comes out. I believe I got plenty of room for it. The goal will be we'll try a 2-to-1 ratio. And we'll see how it goes there. And I'm still undecided. I've still got to do some calculations and stuff, plug some numbers. I don't know if I'm going to do a center port or a driver's side port on it, but we got to get this apart and get everything cleaned out and start shelling this thing out again. That way I know what my numbers are I got to work with. But the last of the subs are out. Alright, I already got the other side apart. 6x9 out. Get these little enclosures out. These weren't nothing special. I just kind of last minute put these together. When I first built this, I wanted a little rear fill. I'll kind of slap these together, kind of help trim some stuff out too. get these out. That way we can get these out of the way. We can get some of this plastic trim out of here. Voila. Okay, so I got all the trim taken off over here. Get it taken off from this side now. It definitely has taken a beating, I noticed, because my other one just kind of broke in my hand. And looks like maybe it's not going to be so easy either. Unfortunately, we got to keep our seat belts. Once again, keep your belt or your bolt. Put it where it goes so you don't lose it. That's for the seat belt there. Alright guys, I got all the trim panels off. Now the only thing holding in the headliner here is the sun visors and the dome light. So get these down here, and I forgot that takes the stars. Alright guys, I couldn't find my T handle, so I had to use this crappy folding one. I'll have to find out where those handles are. But anyways, let's get this visor down. And bye-bye visors. Headliner's coming out and it's not going back in. The plan is do the ceiling in wood. We're gonna bring it down, kind of shrink down the cabin area. It'll help with making it a little bit louder. But those are off. Alright, we got everything undone, I think. Let's get this headliner out. Maybe. Ah, shoot. I forgot this. Nope. It'll come out that side. Alright guys, we got the headliner removed, and I got all the deadener down off of that section of the roof there. And I think for the first time in this series, the deconstruction series, I got everything achieved that I wanted to get done today. Alright, so we got the subs out, we got the little 6x9s for the rear ferrule out, we got the headliner down, we got all the trim out. And as also you guys can see, that roof wasn't black before. If some of you follow or paid attention to some of my build pictures before, I bed lined or rhino lined the entire inside of this before I started building it to help with you know, the vibration and the flex and, you know, the deaden things. But like I said, my plan is to do this whole ceiling in wood. What we'll do is I'll cut out I'll measure this out and I'll cut out sections here. It'll go in a couple sections. I'll PLX that up there, and then we'll come back with another sheet of wood underneath of it, and we'll try to get it down to about here or so, and we'll fill all that in and shrink the cabin space down. Now my plan also is this next enclosure is going to be forward about 6 inches, so I'm going to sacrifice a little bit of leg room, I think, and bring this up box up to about this door line here. So what we got now, maybe a little more than 6 inches. But what my plan is we'll get the front of the box up here, and then I'll fiberglass all this in here so you won't see any of that, you know, stretch and fleet, and I'll figure it all out. But yeah, guys, that's it. Subs are out, everything's out. So I suppose part 5 we'll start destroying this enclosure, because that's the only thing left to come out. And then it's build time. We'll start getting this thing shelled off, or shelled out. Get my measurements, and I can start crunching some numbers for this 4th order. So, on that note, we'll end today's video. I appreciate you watching. If you've watched every one of them, if you haven't, it's just the first time you're seeing this, go back and check out part 1. I'm showing everything, taking this apart, and I plan on doing a whole series of the entire build. So if you watched it, I appreciate it. Appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. I know the thing is not to say that no more, but you know, I appreciate any of the support and the subscribers I can get, and I plan on trying to do some more good content. If you guys think this is good content, I don't know. I'm doing my best with my amateur abilities here to try to put together the best videos that I can for you guys, show you how it's done, or at least how I do it, and we'll go from there. So until next time, thanks a lot, guys.